Hello guys, Wash the Lad 2014 here. I'm at my work with I'm currently testing this Samsung Big Wash Q1244S on synthetics. It's not me that's put it on, by the way. So doing maintenance wash at 60 degrees. The water's a bit filthy. These are very unusual. Doing 3 rinses, 1 hour and 9 minutes left. Start pause button here. And we've still got the Bosch Classics 1000 Express. Anyway guys, I gotta go do some work now, so I'll see you guys another time. Goodbye and take care, and I hope you enjoyed watching the Samsung Big Wash Q1244S in action. Goodbye.